Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to remove invisible filter on TikTok. If you also want to learn how, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. The first thing that you need to do is download the video which has the invisible filter. To download it from TikTok, you can just tap and hold the screen and you should have an option of save video. If you don't, you can tap on the share option that you see on the bottom right and then you can copy in the link. Once the link has been copied, you can open up your web browser and then search for TikTok video download. You can use any of these websites. You just need to paste in the link that you just copied and then tap on download. And the video will be downloaded to your device. Once the video has been downloaded, you can now search for TikTok Invisible Filter Remover APK. Once you do, the results will show up of the APKs. You can open up these websites and download the application from here. Now once the APK has been downloaded, you can use these applications and remove the filter from the video that you just downloaded from TikTok. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.